In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chapters to your Vimeo video. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your viewers can jump to the parts that matter most. First, head to Vimeo in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Chapters are tied to the videos in your library, so being in the right workspace is important. A quick heads up before we begin, the chapter feature is only available on certain paid plans. If you don't see the option later, that likely means your current plan doesn't include it. Once you're on Vimeo, look to the left-hand toolbar and click Library. This is where all your uploaded videos live. Find the video you want to enhance with chapters and open it. Think about the sections you want to mark before you proceed. Introductions, key topics, demonstrations, or conclusions, so your chapter titles are clear and consistent. With the video open, look again to the left side options and choose Interactivity. This is where Vimeo groups tools that improve the viewing experience. Inside Interactivity, select Chapters. You'll see a simple interface designed for adding and managing chapter markers. Now click Add a Chapter. A chapter entry will appear where you can set the time code and give the chapter a short, descriptive title. To pick an accurate time, scrub through the video player to the moment you want, then match that timestamp in the chapter field. Keep titles concise so they display cleanly across devices, and try to use parallel wording for a professional, easy-to-scan table of contents. Repeat the Add a Chapter action for each section you want to highlight. You can move through your video, drop multiple chapters, and adjust their time codes if something needs fine-tuning. If you don't immediately see chapters in the player preview, give it a moment. Changes typically reflect quickly across your Vimeo links and embeds. A few tips as you work. Aim for meaningful intervals rather than overly frequent markers. Chapters are most helpful when they separate logical segments. If your video includes a long intro, consider adding the first chapter right when the main content starts. And if you publish regularly, try using a consistent naming style so returning viewers know what to expect. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to your library, opened your video, gone into interactivity, selected chapters, and used Add a Chapter to build a clear guide for your audience. Your video is now easier to explore, more accessible, and more engaging.